Imagine two people. Same age, similar income. One spends everything. The other makes smart financial choices. Fast forward 20 years. Their lives look completely different. The biggest financial turning points often feel insignificant. These decisions shape your future. What if your financial future hinges on 10 decisions you make today? Let's explore those 10 transformative choices. First, know where your money goes. Many track their income, but miss spending details. Visualize a bank statement breaking down expenses, housing, food, transportation, and more. It's about directing money, not just earning it. Meet Alex. He discovers unnoticed subscriptions eating his budget. He learns, knowing is key to control. Next, protect yourself before aiming for growth. Life can throw curveballs. Job loss, major repairs, unexpected expenses. Establish an emergency fund. Think of it as your financial safety net. A solid plan accounts for unexpected events, building stability. Now, reconsider your relationship with debt. Not all debt is equal. Identify costly consumer debt versus productive debt. Meet Jamie. She's trapped in high-interest debt while Alex invests wisely in skill development. Consider, what's this debt costing me long-term? Then, focus on increasing your earning power. Cutting costs has limits. Investing in skills opens doors. Picture Alex learning digital marketing. 6 months later, he lands a better job. Your ability to earn more is a powerful asset. Next, think about what happens when you earn more. Many fall into lifestyle inflation, increasing expenses with income. But Alex directs raises to savings and investments. He follows the income raise rule, assigning a portion to future goals. Build productive assets next. It's crucial to allocate money toward investments. Imagine Jane. Instead of flashy purchases, she invests in stocks. Over time, her wealth compounds. Wealth is about earning and letting it grow. Consider your influences on financial decisions. Social media often breeds comparison. Meet Sarah. She's distracted by others' lifestyles until she defines her own goals. Focus on your financial journey, not someone else's. Now, cultivate multiple income streams. It doesn't mean starting 10 businesses at once. Start with a primary income, then consider side opportunities. Alex's freelance work eventually becomes a thriving business. Think long-term next. Delayed gratification shapes your financial future. Look at two timelines: short-term spending or long-term investments. Each decision has consequences. Choose wisely. Finally, regularly review your financial life. A solid plan can become outdated. Assess income changes, spending patterns, debt improvements, and personal goals. Emphasize correction over perfection. To recap, here are the 10 crucial decisions. 1. Know where your money goes. 2. Protect yourself from financial shocks. 3. Manage debt intentionally. 4. Increase your earning power. 5. Control lifestyle inflation. 6. Build productive assets. 7. Control financial influences. 8. Develop additional income sources. 9. Think long-term. 10. Review and improve your system. Return to our two characters 20 years later. Their choices weren't based on luck but on repeated decisions. Your financial future isn't about one perfect choice. It's shaped by ordinary decisions over time. Choose one decision from this video and improve it this week. Remember, practical knowledge builds wealth. If you want more insights on money, investing, and long-term wealth, Subscribe to Finance Flow. Asterisk disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not personalized financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. Financial decisions should be based on your individual circumstances and, when appropriate, guidance from a qualified professional. Imagine a pivotal moment. Alex, feeling the weight of his budget, takes a moment to analyze each expense. He sifts through his bank statements, highlighting each subscription service. How did I not notice these before? He muses, realizing that even small costs add up over time. This newfound awareness empowers him to make adjustments, cutting unnecessary expenses, and ultimately redirecting those funds into savings and investments. With a sigh of relief, he acknowledges, tracking every dollar brings clarity. With this awareness in hand, Alex is eager to establish a financial safety net. He recalls the time when a friend faced unexpected medical bills and struggled to recover financially. Determined not to fall prey to unpredictability, he opens a separate savings account dedicated to emergencies. This isn't just saving, it's investing in my peace of mind, he reflects, knowing that a robust emergency fund will protect him from life's inevitable surprises. Realizing he's not just building a buffer, Alex is also investing in his future stability, letting go of financial stress as he grows confident in his plan. Alex pauses to consider his relationship with debt, recognizing that it might be the key to an even brighter financial future. He remembers Jamie, who had fallen into the trap of high-interest credit cards, and contrasts her situation with his. I need to differentiate between what weighs me down and what builds me up, he thinks, recognizing how student loans can pave the way to greater opportunities. With newfound clarity, he resolves to tackle any high-interest debts aggressively, understanding that managing debt wisely can ultimately lead to greater financial freedom. I will make decisions that honor my future aspirations, he affirms, ready to embrace both sacrifice and growth. As he moves forward, Alex is energized by his commitment to increasing his earning power. He signs up for evening courses in digital marketing, believing that investing in himself is a crucial step. This knowledge is my path to advancement, he declares, visualizing how these skills will open new doors in his career. Weeks of late nights and dedication pass, and soon he's not just learning, he's applying his new skills in freelance projects. The results are remarkable, as he earns substantial income, reinforcing his belief that personal growth is a true asset in today's economy. Every effort I put in means a brighter future, he thinks, ready to channel this success into long-term investments. Alex stands at a crossroads, contemplating the recent job offer that could significantly increase his salary. He remembers the lesson of lifestyle inflation and decides to resist the urge to upgrade his living situation immediately. I will commit to my established budget, he promises himself, directing this windfall into his savings account rather than unnecessary expenses. As he watches his savings grow, Alex feels a sense of accomplishment blooming within him. He recalls Jane's journey and how prudent investments can lead to substantial gains over time. Wealth isn't just about income, it's about smart choices, he reflects, determined to ensure his newfound wealth has the chance to compound and flourish. Sarah gazes at her social media feed, overwhelmed by the seemingly perfect lives of others. Her heart races as she questions her own financial choices, feeling pressure to keep up. Then, a moment of clarity washes over her as she whispers, I need to carve my own path. With determination, she writes down her financial goals, reminding herself that her journey is unique. Shifting her focus inward, she deletes the apps that distract her and engages in purposeful spending. It's time to prioritize what truly matters, she resolves, feeling a newfound sense of freedom as she claims her financial independence. Alex, invigorated by his progress, recognizes the value of diversifying his income. He starts by taking on a freelance gig in addition to his full-time job. This could be the start of something great, he thinks, as he balances his commitments. Over time, his side work flourishes, bringing not just extra cash but also a sense of fulfillment. He learns to manage his time efficiently, carving out moments for both endeavors. Multiple income streams create stability, he muses, envisioning a future where his financial landscape is richer and more secure. With each successful project, Alex boosts his confidence and wealth potential, embodying the spirit of proactive financial growth. Looking back at Alex and Sarah, their journeys highlight that no single decision defines their financial future. Instead, it's a tapestry woven from small, deliberate choices made over time. By embracing practical knowledge today, they not only create stability but also pave the way for lasting wealth.